Hello, Body Fangs, and welcome to the bush. Guys, you know when you go kuier there by people there, nee? And one oak says to you, hey, Vanny, kan ek vir jou 'n dopie gooi? He's got this far away look in his eyes like someone looking for firewood there. Dan gooi jy jou paraffientjie daar, so dis meer paraffien as Coca-Cola.
Hey, can I call you on the ankle?
Gooi you on the bloody ankle. Jette, that are why you need consistency. Jou dop moet dieselfde proe elke keer. Hartswater brandewyn, weet jy? Njammies. Proe oor 'n engeltjie op my tong gepiepie het. Ja, consistency. 1 bottle brandewyn, 3 liter Coke en jy kuier die hele aand. Consistency. Get yourself a Moby draft. Just visit yebrew.co.za. Bloody gemeis.